Hello, my dear friend, and welcome to today's episode. In this video, we will talk about something different, something very special, something good for you and for your English learning journey. We are going to learn small talk with easy English. Small talk means the simple, everyday conversations you have with people in daily life. It's give you more confidence. It is the little chat you make at the shop, at the bus stop, in the office, or even with strangers you meet. Most of English learners think about small talk that it is so fast confusing and sometimes they stuck to continue it. So by the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident and ready to use small talk in English. When we talk about improving English fluency and thinking about speaking in English, people often think about grammar or long conversations. But the truth is, small talk is the heart of fluency. Why? Because in real life, most conversations start with small talk. When you become fast in small talk, then you get confidence to speak with others. If you can do this well, you will feel relaxed and people will feel comfortable with you. That is how you can improve English fast in daily situations. So what is small talk really? Small talk is easy, short, friendly conversation about simple topics. It is not too deep and it is not very serious. You don't need hard vocabulary or complex grammar. You just need to sound natural, polite, and friendly. For example, someone might say, "Hi, how are you?" or "Nice weather today, isn't it?" That is small talk. Let's begin with greetings, because they are the most common way to start small talk. When you meet someone on the road or in school or in travel, you can say, "Hi, how are you?" or "Hey, how's it going?" or "Good morning." These are simple, but they are powerful. And the key is not just the words, it's the tone. Smile when you say them. Use a friendly voice. That makes the other person feel good, and the small talk becomes easy. Try it with me right now. Say, "Hi, how are you?" Good. Now say, "Hey, how's it going?" Excellent. Practicing this out loud will help you speak English confidently. Now imagine you are at work and you see a colleague. You might say, "Good morning, how are you today?" And your colleague might answer, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Then you can say, "I'm fine, thanks. Did you have a good weekend?" Maybe they answer, "Yes, I went to the park with my family. It was nice." And you can reply, "That sounds great." See? Very simple. Just a few sentences. But this builds connection. And when you practice like this, your English fluency improves step by step. You can speak about any situation. Another very common small talk topic is the weather. This is so good for starting conversation. This is especially popular in English-speaking countries when you meet someone new. You might say, "It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?" And the other person replies, "Yes, so sunny. I love this weather." You can continue. "Me too. I hope it stays like this for the weekend." They may add, "Yes, fingers crossed." That is small talk. Simple, light, and friendly, which is good for English learner. And here's a big chance for you right now. Think about today's weather in your city. Can you make one small talk sentence about it? Say it out loud right now, or make a conversate with friends. For example, It's really hot today, isn't it? Good job. That's great. Now, let's also practice small talk about free time and hobbies. Imagine you are in class or at work and you want to be friendly with someone. You can ask, "What do you usually do after work?" Right? Or, "Do you like watching movies?" The answers can be short, simple, and you can respond with interest. For example, you ask, "Do you like sports?" The other person must be says, "Yes, I play football on weekends." You can say, "Oh, nice. That's great to hear. I love football too. What team do you support?" Notice something important. The questions are open and friendly. You don't need difficult grammar, just short, clear sentences. That is the only secret to small talk. Here's a speaking challenge for you. I will ask you a small talk question, and I want you to answer out loud. Ready? That's great. What do you usually do on weekends? Pause this video, answer with your own words, make the rhythm, speak out loud, then come back. Excellent. This is how you practice to improve English fast. Now let's talk about small talk in public places. Imagine you are in a shop in front of cashier. The cashier says, "Hi, how are you?" You can answer, "I'm good, thanks. How are you?" Then maybe you add something friendly like, "It's busy today, isn't it?" This is how you build confidence in speaking English and make the conversation continues. For example, the cashier says, "Good afternoon, how are you today?" And you reply, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" The cashier says, "I'm fine, thanks. Did you find everything okay?" You answer, "Yes, thank you. By the way, it's really hot outside today, isn't it?" The cashier responds, "Yes, it is. I hope it cools down later." Perfect. Just a little bit of small talk makes the conversation friendly. So, one best place for small talk is when you meet new people at social events, like a party or meeting. You can say, "Hi, I'm Jack. Nice to meet you." Then you can ask, "So, what do you do?" Or, "Where are you from?" These are safe and common small talk questions. For example, you say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you." The other person replies, "Nice to meet you too. I'm Tom." You say, "So Tom, what do you do?" Tom says, "I work in IT." You reply, "Oh, interesting. I know someone who works in IT too. Do you enjoy it?" And just like that, you are speaking naturally. Remember, small talk is not about being perfect or to become a professional. It's about being friendly. Even if your grammar is not 100% correct, you can talk to anyone. People will still understand you. The aim is to keep the conversation going with simple questions and answers. Let's try another challenge together. I will give you a small talk sentence, and you try to continue it. Do not worry about it. Are you ready? Here it is. "Hi, nice to see you again. How have you been?" Now, what would you say? Pause, answer, and then continue. Great job. Every time you do this, your English fluency grows. Just you need to make you patient. Now let's talk about confidence. Many English learners feel nervous in small talk because they are afraid of silence or mistakes, but that's not with you only. Everyone facing this problem, and this is normal. But here's the secret. Even native speakers use simple words in small talk. They don't always speak fast or use difficult vocabulary. For example, listen to this natural conversation between two native speakers. Person A says, "Hey, how's it going?" Person B replies, "Not bad, thanks. You?" Person A says, "Good, thanks. Crazy weather today, huh?" And person B answers, "Yeah, it's all over the place." See, very simple. If they can use simple English, so can you. The best way to practice small talk and speak English confidently is shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a dialogue, then repeat it like an actor. It means act like them, copy the sound, rhythm, and pronunciation. For example, let's practice together. I say, "Hi, how are you?" You say it too. I say, "I'm fine, thanks." And you? You repeat. I say, "Nice weather today." You repeat, "This is good for you." This kind of shadowing makes your English more natural and smooth. Try this every day for 5 minutes and you will improve English fast. Here's one more challenge for you. Today, try to use small talk in your real life. Maybe with a friend, a classmate, or even online. Ask one small question like, "How's your day going?" or "Did you do anything fun yesterday?" Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. Every small step brings you closer to English fluency.